see the color of your soul.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I figured I'd try something new in this video today and actually add some commentary to what I'm doing. Picked up a couple e-skates over the last few weeks. This unit is probably my favorite, just simply because of the top speed and carvability. And the other unit that I have is the Wowgo Mini 2. It's a short board, it's got a little kicktail on it, and goes around the same speed, probably a little bit slower. Not that you'd want to go the same speeds. The short boards are pretty unstable, right around like 20 miles per hour. It gets kind of squirrely. So in this video, I decided I'd try and run some errands and drop off some photos to different locations, and it worked out perfectly. The only issue is it's a little awkward going into a building with a motorcycle helmet on, but it's a blast. It didn't feel like I was actually doing any sort of work at all. It just was like a fun ride, and occasionally stopping to give people stuff and heading back out. So as you can see, Michigan is not necessarily the greatest place in the world for roads to ride something like this on, but the Hurricane seems to manage quite well, so long as you don't hit like a massive pothole. I've only fallen off of it once, and that was just because of my own stupidity trying to reach behind my helmet to hit the pause button on my Bluetooth setup I have on the helmet, and I accidentally slammed the throttle forward, sent the board flying out from under me. Definitely, if you're in the area and you have one of these things, you need to reach out to me so that we can try and group ride together, because as much fun as it is by myself, I really think it would be way more enjoyable if there were other people to ride with. So hit me up if you're in the Manistee area and you're on some sort of a personal electronic vehicle, whether it's a one-wheel, electronic unicycle, or e-skate. Hit me up. All right, I hope you've enjoyed my vids. Later.